My dear friends, where do we get real hope? Today we need hope because we are living on a broken planet. Nothing is working perfectly. The weather is not okay. The economy is in shambles. There is catastrophe. There is natural calamities, war. We are in the midst of the pandemic. And we experienced all these problems in our day-to-day living. Today people are hopeless because they place their hope in wrong things or wrong place. If you place your hope in money, in power, in your personal glory, and all kinds of material things of this world, remember all these things are going to disappoint you one day because they are temporary by nature. And therefore, my dear friends, we need to place our hope only one thing and one thing alone. That is in the love of God. For we know the Lord is good and His love endures forever. You can exist without food for 40 days. You can exist without water for 7 days. You can exist without air for 7 minutes. But remember, you cannot truly live a moment without hope. For we know hope sustains life. Where there is life, there is always hope. So my dear friends, where do we get real hope? Look up to Jesus, who is indeed our hope, because God the Father raised Him up from the dead, and through His resurrection He has given us this hope in the eternity. Therefore trust in your hopes and dreams, for in them indeed hidden the gate of eternity.